ready for you now. You got to.
Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and I am getting this house cleaned back up. I have not been feeling good for the last couple of weeks. I actually got really bad swimmer's ear, and it got so bad I was in and out of the hospital for a couple of days, but I'm feeling better. My ear is still swollen and there's still a little bit of pressure, but it no longer hurts and I can actually get up and get stuff done. The kids straightened up, kept the house pretty straightened up for me, but it is just, I'm feeling better, so I need to get up and just get back on track and get my house back in order. But it was funny because we were sitting there watching, my husband and my son was actually sitting there watching Breaking Bad, and I was just kind of laying on the couch, and I got up and I just came in the kitchen and started cleaning it when it decided to just go ahead and start filming, because I was going to try to wait till a little bit later, till it was a bit darker, after dark clean with me, but it was like 6 o'clock, and I just got up and started getting it done, but then they all got up and was starting to clean too, and my son was cleaning up the living room. I'm like, if you clean the living room, I got nothing to clean. It's like, I'm trying to film a video here. But they all were like, just felt bad because I was cleaning and my daughter was cleaning their bathroom, because I told her to get up and go do that. And so my husband and son, they just felt bad because I was cleaning, so they were trying to find something to clean. And I was getting onto them because they kept trying. I'm like, if y'all keep this up, I ain't gonna have nothing to clean. But I'm gonna use the Scrub Daddy paste for my sink, and y'all, it cleans it so good and it makes it so shiny. And I also use this on my stovetop as well. I'm looking at them. And I did edit out me yelling at them and telling them to stop cleaning. Oh, I was getting onto them right there.
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both liked everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. I can tell what time it is. If ain't is I don't really care, 'cause I got no place to be other than right here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know.
But I am feeling tons better, so now it is time to get everything back on track and get this house back in order. So I plan on my next video, I need to, as I was putting these groceries away, me and my daughter went and bought groceries earlier this day, and I was putting everything away, and my pantry, my cabinets are just awful, but they just need organizing and cleaned out so bad. and so does the fridge. So that I do plan on getting done for next week's video. So, and like I said, it is time to get back on track and get stuff done. I wasn't feeling good for a couple of weeks, and I'm sorry, the dogs. There's Wanda. They're going to make it hard for me to get stuff done. Sorry for the barking, but it is early in the morning, and I'm trying to get this edited before everyone starts getting up and moving around. So, but I'm going to go back in with the Scrub Daddy paste on the stove, and it just gets it so clean and it makes it so shiny. Would you stop growling at me? But, and I just go in and I just got the paste put on there, and then I went with the scrubby side after I wetted the sponge, and I'm just going to scrub it down really good, and then I just go in with a wet rag a few times and wringing it out to wipe it all off. But this has just been one of my favorite products, and I am loving the Scrub Daddies.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love, all that we have is each other.
So my daughter went to my bathroom. She was looking for the shower scrubber cleaner, and the shower scrubber was in her bathroom, but my husband's like, what was she looking for? And so I told him, and he went in there and got exactly where I told him where it was. I think he had to look a little bit because I told him it was like in one or two places, but he found it and gave it to her so she can go get it done. But they're all walking around trying to find stuff to do, and I'm like, y'all need to stop trying to clean because I'm trying to film. Because usually my husband's at work and I'll just start cleaning in the mornings and my kids will sleep till noon. But so yeah, everyone was just up and moving around on this day.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying till it bends, still it feels like a.
So now I'm finally moved on to the dining room, and I gotta pour this big bag of sugar into this bucket. I buy big bags of sugar and flour, and I just put them in food safe buckets because I bake a lot, but we also drink a lot of sweet tea in our house. I don't buy sodas and keep them in the house. Like I have a Mountain Dew that I got earlier when I went to the grocery store. Because if I buy like 12 packs of sodas, that's all my kids will drink. So we just, when we go out, we'll grab a Mountain Dew or a soda, and that's it. But other than that, nope, because they will drink it all. So I'm just getting the table cleaned off. My daughter grabbed her phone and remembered her phone does not work no more. She is going crazy because she's always on her phone with her friends, and she literally has to wait 3 to 4 days before her new phone gets here. Her phone just stopped charging, and her phone is so old, we couldn't get the same exact phone, so she's actually getting an upgrade. But and it's just driving her crazy having to wait to get it. It's like she just can't stay on the phone with her friends.
It's not ready. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get it.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. After dark, relaxing, clean with me, which wasn't even quite dark. It was about 7 by now. So it really wasn't even dark at all. The sun was still up, but an evening relaxing clean with me. But it didn't take me very long to get the house clean because the kids straightened it up for me and kept everything put up while I wasn't feeling well. So I am so grateful that they did that for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.